Hello friends, welcome to Himalaya Shakti Tantra. Today I am going to make another video, and after a long time I get time to make video for you guys. I already start a series on the Lord Shiva meditation. So I already share one video on Lord Shiva meditation, and this is the second video I am going to make now. In this video I will share the information from the starting, because last video was for the Param Samadhi stage, the superconscious stage, and in this video I will share how you can practice. If you are a beginner, if you are a practitioner, advanced practitioner, intermediate, it doesn't matter. In this video you will learn anybody can practice, because this practice for every single human being. Anytime they can start if they want, because Lord Shiva meditation is all about enlightenment journey. So this video on Lord Shiva meditation, how Lord Shiva do meditation. So first thing is control on your body, on your senses, and on your thoughts, mind. So without that you cannot reach to the enlightened stage, the superconscious stage, because the body, mind, senses, thoughts are the blockage, barriers in the spiritual enlightened journey. So what you need to do every day, at least minimum you have to give 1 hour to yourself. 1 hour I hope you can do practice every day, and you can give to yourself, because everybody has 24 hours. At least 1 hour you can spend for your enlightened journey. What you need to do, you just need to sit in a relaxation posture, straight in a relaxation posture, and just control your body. What you need to control? Your movements, because lots of people do like this, they are moving their neck, doing like this, and doing your shoulder and adjusting their body. Actually, the first you need to control the body, pure stillness. Just second thing is senses means your eyes, your nose, your lips, your ears, your throat, your tongue is moving inside. Even you are not moving physically like this, you still with your external body, but your internal body is moving, just like your tongue is moving inside, your eyes is moving inside, your lips is moving, your nose. So you need to control your senses, pure stillness. And then you need to observe your breath, inhale and exhale. You need to concentrate and focus on your breath. With this practice it will control your thoughts and mind. Your mind will become in the center. Nothing else you need to do, nothing. At least 40 days, 54 days, 64 days, 84 days you have to do this practice minimum. Just stillness. On your asana you just need to sit, do the meditation posture, you just be like this, and just stillness, no movement. Inhale and exhale smoothly, no sound, no force, no jerking in your breath, pure stillness, and just observe. Keep focus, concentrate, observe your breath, become a witness of your automatic system of the body. This is very, very important for further journey. So just you need to do no mantra chanting, nothing, no creation of mind, no visualization, no imagination, nothing. Thoughts will come, let it go. Thoughts will come, let it go. Thoughts will come, let it go. Don't flow with the thoughts. Just totally relax. Do some yoga exercises. If you don't know any yoga exercise, just do sun salutation, is perfect yoga posture. Head to toe stretching, you can do with the sun salutation. 12 postures you can do. There's a lots of videos on YouTube, you can check there. The sun salutation, the 12 is the combination of 12 yoga postures, the 12 yoga posture combination in sun salutation. So do it right, stretch and do little bit stretching, Bhastrika and Kapalbhati for cleansing. This is Bhastrika and do the Kapalbhati. That's it. Spend your 5 minutes, 10 minutes on your breathing, and for your 12 salutation you will spend maximum 12 minutes or 15 minutes, and then you can do still meditation, just pure stillness, and just observe your breath. Not even this is take you to the enlightened journey. Even there is also lots of physical and mental benefits. With this you are able to control your emotions too. Not only you can able to control your physical body and senses, even you can control your emotions. You can control your negative thoughts, your trauma, and slowly with the practice, mind become your slave. Right now we are slave of the mind. Whatever mind says we do, but with the practice the mind become your slave, and whatever you say your mind will do very easily. So I hope you understand this basic information about the Lord Shiva meditation, the stillness and breathic connection with your breath, the automatic system of your body, that is your breath and life force. So keep practice this for 40 days, 54 days, 64 days and 84 days. And after that you can enter in the next level. I will share another video as soon as possible. I try to make another video on next level after this on the Lord Shiva, but you need to practice this. You can do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour. There is no limitation in this meditation, no limitation. As much as you will do, you will get very good and fast results, and everybody can do. There is no foundation, everybody can do just stillness. So enjoy the true spirituality, because now lots of people, even today also, I don't want to share these things, those things on this video, because this is for particularly, but lots of people, they think they are more knowledgeable because of their ego, and they do lots of conversation with me, and they really don't know, they're stuck in the illusion, and they keep asking the questions to the peoples in a wrong way. So that is not right. If you are in the spiritual path, you have to spread humanity, love, connection, support to peoples who really do something for you. You have to taking care of them too. So please try to understand and enjoy these practices and take benefits in your life and manifest your both world, physical and spiritual. So keep enjoying my videos. If you really like this, the information, so you can share in your circle, with your friends, society, wherever you want it. If you really feel this information is beneficial for you, so you can give benefits to others with sharing, and enjoy your life with love and bliss, with truth, and be calm and relax in your life. Then you can understand everything around you and inside you.